Oh, you girls are dancing so nicely. That's so sweet. Let me see how you dance. Show me how you do it. Yay! We dancing in the kitchen? Okay, careful. Careful, Chloe. Okay, let's go back over here and we'll finish doing some more. Doing some more dancing.
I want to dance with Chloe.
Okay, go over there, Chloe. Go dance with Audrey. She wants to dance with you. Go ahead, Chloe.
Dance
Yeah.
with me.
Oh, that's sweet. Yay! Okay, Chloe took a little tumble. Come on up, Chloe. Yeah.
Chloe, hold my hand.
Oh, I think we're all done with the dancing. That was beautiful, girls. Okay.
I wanna do some more.
Okay, we can do a little more.
Oh,
Okay. Okay.